Hi, Mayor Davis. April 1st, I was driving home and I went past the hospital and I thought, every time I drive past here, I really feel a sense of pride because I know how hard they're working in here, getting ready for a possible surge in COVID-19 cases. They've been spending the last several weeks doing everything they can to prepare for it, and we hope, right, that's not going to happen. If it happens, we're helping by doing all the things we should do to flatten the curve. And I just wanted to say a real big shout out to everybody in this hospital, from the new director, Dr. David McNeil, a fine person, to all the doctors, the nurses, the lab technicians, the other technicians, the cleaning staff, the administrators, the managers, everybody here. I give you my hat off. I had a hat, I give you a hat off. Everything you're doing. And you know, I've heard other communities do like a shout out for their hospital staff. Like I get out at 7 o'clock and stand on your balcony and do a big shout out to them. I think we should do something like that in our community to recognize what is happening here behind me in this hospital, where they're working extremely hard to help us, protect us, and care for us if needed. So I was just at the hospital and they came driving down here on Powerline Road and I saw the Tranquility Place paramedic detachment of the Brant Brantford Paramedics service. And you know what? These are the frontline workers of the front line. They're doing an admirable job for us and they deserve a shout out. And actually some of them actually came out to say hi to the mayor.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing? So I think Paul, did you want to say, I want to ask you a couple of questions, Paul.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Paul is a primary care paramedic?
Yes, that's correct.
So you're one of the top dogs?
I wouldn't say that. No, I wouldn't say that.
You're highly trained. You're highly trained. Okay, so just tell us, you know, what are you seeing out there?
Well, we're seeing a lot of concern in the community as to how all this COVID-19 pandemic is going to be affecting everybody. I think on part of yourself and the rest of Brant County and Brantford proper, they've really been managing the situation and really helping keep the community calm and informed and having plans for the future and what's to be expected in the coming weeks and in the coming months.
And you're all very highly trained. You're trained to deal with these situations. You have all the necessary personal protection equipment.
Yeah.
And we are maintaining our appropriate
social
distance,
distancing,
right?
absolutely.
And so
2 meters, 6
I guess
feet.
you're giving us a personal plea. Keep doing what you're doing. Stay home. Maintain the distance when you're outside.
Absolutely.
Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. All those things we've been taught. And I want to tell you, even though you're part of the county of Brant, really, I'll ignore that and I'll just say, you know, as mayor of the City of Brantford, I am particularly proud of our paramedics. You're the front line of the front lines, and I want to thank you for all that you're doing for us. And come on, we got to include paramedics in the big shout out that I've been talking about. So have a great evening, stay calm, stay safe, and stay strong.